Alright, welcome guys. We're giving our algebraic expression from PCE year 2000, where we are asked to factorize 16x squared minus bracket open 1 minus y bracket close squared. Quickly dive into our question by writing solution. Next, we copy out our algebraic expression. 16s squared minus bracket open 1 minus y bracket close squared. We note that except for 16, the expression resembles difference of 2 squared. However, we record that 16 is the same thing as 4 squared. Hence, our expression can also be written as 4x all in brackets squared minus bracket open 1 minus y bracket close square. From difference of 2 square, we note that whenever we have x square minus y square, this is equal to bracket open x minus y bracket close bracket open x plus y bracket close. Therefore, we apply this principle to our expression, and we have bracket open 4x bracket close square minus bracket open 1 minus y bracket close square, all equal to bracket open 4x bracket close minus bracket open 1 minus y bracket close bracket open 4x bracket close plus bracket open 1 minus y bracket close. All these is equal to bracket open 4x minus times 1 gives us minus 1, minus times minus y gives us plus y bracket close bracket open. We have 4x plus times 1 gives us plus 1, plus times minus 1 gives us minus y, plus times minus y gives us minus y. We close our bracket. Therefore, we have brackets open 4x minus 1 plus y bracket close, brackets open 4x plus 1 minus y as our final answer. Thank you.